You don't need to respond to everything. At some point, you stop reacting and start choosing silence out of self-respect. This is just how things are. Because I'm going to be honest with you, every response costs you something, whether it's your peace, your focus, your dignity. There's always a cost to responding to people. And you know what? The reality is the people who provoke you, they already know that. This is why they poke, they push, and this is why they wait for you to bite and react. Over the years, I've learned something, and that is that maturity is realizing that you don't owe everyone an explanation. Strength is knowing that silence often says more than words ever could. This is the reality. And just remember one thing. You don't win every battle by showing up. Sometimes the win is removing yourself emotionally so they keep talking to your absence long after you stop listening. Let them have the last word while you protect your peace.